Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld. Time to go walk the neighborhood. And got 2 bird dogs here. We're gonna see what needs fixing. Do a fix-up project. Maybe search for something we can fix up and rent out. So that would be the buy and hold strategy. I don't know what kind of things we're going to come across, so we have to stay open to, who knows, wholesaling or fixing and flipping, or possibly set it up with buy it and set it up and do a lease option, sell it on a lease with the option to buy. Love that strategy so much, lease option. So we'll have to see. But right now, we're gonna practice bird dogging. But I love real estate. There's so many options. You can be so creative and possibly get some seller financing, or hello, or maybe even trying to stay out of traffic here. Possibly even set it up where people do their own fix-up. Buy a fixer and, rent it to a contractor, let them fix it up with a reduction in rent for the 2 or 3 months that they take to fix it up while they're living in it. We have a project going like that right now. Works out great. Rent to a contractor. Alright, Lois Threlkeld. Cinnamon the bird dog. Mocha the bird dog. Talk to you soon. Take care. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Bye now.